Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out these Meditech heated socks. So these can be app controlled. This comes in a nice little box here. The meaning of the cold perhaps is to let you find something warmer. Instructions on top here. Comes a little baggie there. We have our charging plug-in cord, which comes with two little plugs, so you can plug in both the batteries and charge them at the same time. That's nice and handy. So if you have a pack, our batteries come here. There those are, fairly small. These are 3,000 mega amp hours. Decent amount of heat. They should last for quite a while. And here's our socks. Look at those. Right, so these are pretty thick socks. You can just feel them here. Okay, so we long press this, and that turns on our little sock there. And so the red light is 65 Celsius, then green is 45, blue 55, purple is going to be 41, and then we have the yellow, which is 35 Celsius. So I'm going to try these on here. Let's put one on to hot temperature here. Okay, those are pretty comfortable socks actually. Nice and thick like that. Okay, they come up a little bit past the calf there. And then they're so, as you can see, they're fairly thin, so it doesn't really bother anything. So you can put your pant leg down over it, no problem. It doesn't feel like that battery's even right there, so that's kind of nice. Put this other sock on here. Okay, these are by themselves, they're actually quite cozy. As you can see, the batteries here on the back, right on the calf there, is kind of nice placement. If it was up on maybe your shin bone, you might be able to feel it, but it also has the padding of the sock here too. These socks are pretty thick. Wow, already they are warming up and feels nice and toasty. I have cold concrete floors, so this feels pretty warm already. It's starting to warm up there. I'm gonna try to hook this up to the app and show you guys how that works real quick. All right, as we can see, I got my little socks on there, left and right sock. You can just turn down the temperature if you want, whatever temperature you want. And these will sync together, so you can keep them at different temperatures, or I think you can unsync them if you want. It looks like they're both the same temperatures. And then you can set a timer on them, on or off too. So pretty cool little app. If it doesn't connect right away, just unplug your sock, plug it back in, should be good to go. So that was pretty easy. It is pretty warm. I can feel that. I can feel it's warmer than my hands. And so right where it has this little design pattern there, that's where the heat is, on the bottom and top of your foot there towards the end, like where your toes get cold at the bottom of your feet. Just the socks alone, I just want to say that they are quite comfortable. Took a little walk around with them. They're actually really cozy socks. They feel good. They're thick, pretty thick material there, so they're pretty soft, and they feel nice and cozy on my feet. I haven't really had any issues with these being too hot or whatever. So yeah, nice little heated socks. Great gift idea for people that have cold feet or live in cold areas. So I like that the app control is nice and handy. So if you are bundled up and you can't access the button on the side, you can just go to your app and just switch the temperature up and down. So my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was informative. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.